What is concatenate? How we use it in Python? How to concatenate strings in Python programming language. At first, look at dictionary meaning of concatenate. It means link things together in a chain or series. Hello world, I'm Nader and I create content about programming. So if you like this subject, please subscribe my channel and hit the ring bell icon. According to Wikipedia, in formal language theory and computer programming, string concatenation is the operation of joining character strings end to end. For example, the concatenation of snow and ball is a snowball. In certain formalizations of concatenation theory, also called string theory, string concatenation is primitive notion. And know how it works in Python. Imagine we have two different variables in Python. One of them, like this variable, we call it name with a string like another value. And we have another variable with Yari value. So we want to create new variable called full name. How we can use it? It's simply easy. Just we use addition operator or plus sign for do this. Look at these examples. We also can concatenate more than two strings together, like this example. But concatenate has some exceptions. If you try to combine strings and a number, Python will give you error. Look at this examples. Thanks for watching. See you in next videos.